The good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 7 from verse 36 to verse 50. One woman named Jesus. One Pharisee invite Jesus for come yam dinner with him. So Jesus go in yard and sit down for yam. One sinner woman in the town hear say Jesus there the Pharisee yard. So she go there with one little stone jar, a dear perfume. She go back at him, turn which part in stretch out in foot and start bawl. She make her eye water wet up him foot and wipe them off with her ear. Then she kiss them and throw out the perfume upon them. When the Pharisee will invite Jesus see this, him said to himself, if the man here did a one prophet, he would have know what kind of woman I touch him. So Jesus said to him, say, Simon, me have something to tell you. What that, teacher? Simon said. Jesus tell him, say, 2 men did owe one money lender. One owe him 500 silver coin, and the other one did owe 50. None of them never have no money to pay him. So instead they not bother pay him back nothing. Tell me, Simon, which of them I go love him more? Simon answered Jesus, say, must be the one where did owe him the most. You're right, Jesus answered him. Him turned to the woman and said to Simon, you see that woman here? Me come at your yard and you not give me the water to wash my foot. But that woman here wash my foot with her eye water and wipe them with her ear. You know, welcome me with no kiss. But from me come in, this woman not tap kiss up my foot. You not throw oil pa my head, but she put perfume pa my foot. So, me I tell you, she get pardon for her whole heap of sin them, cause she love me enough. People will get pardon for little bit of sin, only have little bit of love for me. Jesus said to the woman, say, me pardon all of your sin them. The other guests them start say to them one another, who this ya? We all a pardon sin. Jesus tell the woman, say, cause you trust in me, God save you. Go to your yard with peace in your heart. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God